Hi everyone, I've just come to share with you a little bundle that I've put together. This will be listed on my Etsy. I'm calling it like a little starter kit for a journal, so a little starter journal kit. Excuse me. So what you will get with it is a 9x12 clasp envelope, which would be ideal for your cover. Let me set some of that to the side. There is, let me see, there's 10 sheets of, this is actually tea-dyed paper. If I said coffee, I do apologise. It's tea-dyed paper. There is 10 sheets. They're A4. I've just folded them over like so. So there's 10 of them. There is 2 lined and 2 squared. You have 4 Edith Holden book pages, and I think these are all for the month of June, so you have that. Then there is 2 of these large paper bags, and what I normally do with them is fold them and, well, fold them like so to fit the page. You might have to trim a bit off, or you can just trim it off that way, or do it so you don't trim anything off apart from the edge, and you can make a little pocket with a bit to fit on a page. Your possibilities are endless. We have got 2 of these and 2 of them paper bags. There is 2 jelly bean soup pockets. These ones I've actually glued closed. I normally leave them open, but I glued them for some reason. There is some paper envelopes that I've made, ready to glue or do whatever you like with. So there's 2 of them. There is 2 guest checks. There is 6 tags. We've got the Tiffany & Co. Just a Note, Unforgettable Moments, and The Story Begins, This Book Belongs To, and Little Moments, Big Memories. So there's 6 of them. You get 4, I thought there was 4, hang on, where is it? Okay, I have to add one. I'm sure I thought I put 4 in there, but hey ho, it's probably lying at the bottom of the bag that I've had it in. So I will just add one more now. There we go. My counting skills must be slipping. So there's 4 of them. There it is. Okay, there's 5 of them now. 2 of the square doilies, and there is 2 of the large round doilies. I've just folded them in half because it's easier to pull, like to put it all in a parcel when shipping. Otherwise it gets bigger and the price goes up for shipping. It's ridiculous. So there's 2 of them. Now there is a bag with bits and bobs in. Whoops, I've got runaway beads here. Okay, so there's 3 meters of this white crocheted trim. No, there isn't. There's a meter. Tell a lie. There's a meter of that. There is 3 meters of each of these eyelash trims. There is 10 tickets. There is 6 tabs. These are the Stampin' Up tabs, and I've just inked them up, so you've got 6 of them. There is 6 butterflies. Now you can use them either side because they're double-sided cardstock, so you've got 6 of them. There is 6 hearts. You could use them for your centre of your signatures or gluing them onto something. So yep, 6 of them. There's a strip of this bling. There is, I made some bead dangles. So there's 4 bead dangles. I've got glue all over my fingers. So there's 4 of them. There's 10 buttons. Oops, let's pick them all up. So there's 10 buttons to play with. and then there's this little selection of beads to make your own bead dangle. Excuse me. And obviously this bag that this lot comes in, you can use that within your journal. So excuse me, this is listed on my Etsy. I've got 2 more of these kits nearly made up, apart from the bead dangles, so I will be listing them as well. Bead dangles might be slightly different in colour, but everything else will be the same. There we go, just popping all that in, just boring you now. So that is what you get. It's a little journal starter kit. So if you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.